When Lad walked up and said, "Let me get a R&B beat," and I started making a beat.
And you can see yourself just like in the studio. I ain't know that. Oh man, I'm finna ride.
Yeah, shit.
Damn, you gotta go?
I'm finna go shit. Gotta lay some shit down now.
Hear the beat. I hear it's me. It's the new year, and people don't understand, dog. We have no fear in this game that we in. It's kinda slow, not speeding up. People just don't understand. We put these hoes off in the buck. I see Von Missy coming on the set, and niggas just didn't understand.
Yeah.
We're the best.
Don't have pretty smile, nigga.
And getting money.
What we got here? What we got here? What we got here? Swing, nigga.
Swing fight.
That means
When Dixie sign,
shit,
my
we win.
dog grind.
Straight up.
Von Missy time.
Straight up.
The oldie boy.
Straight up.
Chuck Taylor.
Straight up.
Eating boy.
Straight up.
Early Mel.
Straight up.
Calling B.
Straight up.
Oldie dog.
Straight up.
You see the cutlass.
Straight up.
We riding, dog.
Straight up.
We get so rich. Palm
Straight up.
trees. Me and my cousin
Straight up.
sitting here up under the tree. And so you can record it and let us hear that again?
What we doing?
Okay, boy, you in the video. Hey, hold up,
Yeah.
I'll run it back.
With the chuck.
Yeah, with the chucks.
Straight up.
Video time and with them chucks.
Straight up.
Straight up.
Straight up.
Straight up. Straight up. Straight up.
Straight
Straight
up.
up. This is the third
Okay.
verse. This is that second hearse.
Third verse.
Just
My
don't
dog
understand.
Marlon just blessed me. He told me, go ahead, just set me straight. I'ma give you the weight and do your time. So all you got to do is act blind. Don't tell dimes. So I just roll and I just bob my head to the beat. I'm from the road. They call it Cleveland fucking Street. If you from that pole, then you can represent with me. 50-20 old, and we been beating C.
You hit my
BNC. I'm talking about bitches and chicks. I'm talking about these niggas don't give a fuck when you wet up. That shit don't disgust me. Cause if you got red litter on you, it's bust B. Me, all black, riding with free, free money in the back.
Yeah.
I just got it. I just copped them and laid them down, nigga, who I be. I just did it like my nigga Key.
Hey.
Free my nigga Key and Riri. All I know is these streets. Y'all can fly the A to B to the C and give me a drink and let's eat. I'm trying to be all over your goddamn seat. Back trunks. I'm talking about these beats they bump. I'm really. I'm talking about these streets they crunk. They all behind me. My dog Fat said I got it. So I said fuck it, let me make a beat and try it. And I'm on the block. They call it Wilkins Court. But we will never tell a such and sort. We don't know you, so we don't owe you. And when we come and get free money, nigga, you gotta show move.
Free money, nigga.
Free money.
Free money, nigga.
Off
Free
top.
money, nigga.
Where we at,
Off
man?
top. The free money looking across the fucking street. See the fucking projects. These niggas, dawg, we gotta eat. Niggas flipping game, flipping money, flipping cane. Do it all for the name.
And the chain.
Hey,
And your brain.
And your brain insane, and these niggas don't understand that we spinning the change and fuck it. We get rich and don't see busters, we suck it. And niggas coming through, niggas they cut it. And you didn't understand and talking nigga in them codes, cause the police wanna know what I'm selling them.
And I can't tell you a whole recipe like Bear, you know. You gotta pick up these chickens and these casserole. When you come through, you don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe I'm at Fat Belly, getting me a chocolate drink with them stank in it. I gotta pick up a package and niggas don't seal it. Call me Blue Water, call me Blue Bird, cause niggas see me flying in a brand new Suburban. And I don't even know why I do show off that, Cause I don't even know why they act like I don't know how to tote no gas with a back on the fold of the black. Overly black, trying to flip it like Twister on them, a nigga.
And all in the back, niggas don't understand. Niggas, they ain't have no plan. Niggas don't understand, cause niggas, they ain't have no plan. Me and my cuz sitting on the car, trying to get herb, trying to be a star, trying to do it like this, trying to buy the bar, trying to fuck the bar by the club. Switch it up, show some love. This shit is easy, like eggs.
Water,
don't play, we know Lil Weezy. Hey, and these niggas don't understand, dawg. Same projects, I just show Boosie and Webby, dawg. They know about 50-20. They know that we gon' eat. These niggas know that we coming, and boy, we ain't so sleep. Oh, this boy done cleaned it up on the set. Gotta wear the vest, gotta protect that upper chest. Hey, this is that third motherfucking scene. What these niggas don't understand, we coming with cream. And we got the real bikes out here. Like baby say, nigga, we really riding bikes out here. See how they try it, look.
So we can try and make up
let's see how this look like what we done did. And